Good morning. Well, welcome to my teepee. This used to be the glass one. It was called the Crystal Palace. It was all made out of old windows screwed onto the teepee. Great place. Anyway, it's going to be moving. Not sure that. Oh yes, I remember. I'm not going to go into that. Anyway, would you like a cup of tea? I have just cooked a pot of water. Would you like some? I could pour some for you. Here. There you go. Okay. Now, I happen to have a matching bowl cup. That was a trick. Did you get it? Ha. Desmond, did you see what I did? More neighbors of the next house. There is what we're doing. See, I made those towers. That was so I could put my pot of water on it and cook up my tea. So I'm just sitting here hanging out with you. I've been talking to you for a while. It's nice. Hey, much different seeing me. I'm not sure I like that. I'd rather look over and see you. Hi, how are you? So I was trying to accomplish something today. I have really gotten into sitting here with my tea. I don't feel like talking when I look at the fire. I put my foot over. Is it in your way? I guess. I'll just keep them on the ground. It's nice you could come. Thanks. So what is today anyway? Wednesday. Near the end of May. Today I'm trying to get some more of my grass out of the garden. I'm making good progress. It's a lot done. From the well pipe all the way to the deck is done in the first 10 feet. Oh, there's a little spot around a tree that's really hard for me to get the grass out from between the tree roots. That's not easy. How's your tea? Hey, what mug do you have? I got the New York one. I'd offer you an orange, but I don't want to have to peel it for you because I've got bug repellent on my hands. Oh, you know what? This bug repellent is made by Johnson & Johnson, or it's off. Anyway, whoever makes off. It's called Skintastic Lotion, and it's got aloe vera. This is unscented, and I don't know anything about your repellent, but this repellent, it goes on soft and gives you lotion after, but I've never had anything that gives the coverage like this that mosquitoes don't like. When I was up in Alaska, on the Yukon, or up in that BC, northern BC, we sat around and ate a salmon dinner with somebody that lived on the river, and people were all getting bitten up, and I had this, and I was sharing it because mine worked and nobody else's did. That's pretty impressive. I mean, these people came from Canada and from the United States. They had brought their different varieties. That was 2 birds. Oh no. Yeah. I think the trill is a frog. And then the other one is the red-eyed vireo. Scarlet, are you out and about? This is really good tea. I think I probably put too much honey. Would you like a cup of tea? I'm going to try and pour it. Scarlett? Would you like to have your coffee out here with me? So we've got a big gardening project going on. There's Bo has built a potting shed out of the turkey shed or the whatever storage shed, and then there's plants that Scarlett has been growing, big trays of plants, and she's got it all down to a science. Just hi, do you want to come out and have a cup of something with me?
Yeah, maybe. Hold on, let me ask Bill.
I like the way this is all in a circle. Chairs in here. I'm in the process of cleaning the inside up to move it. What time is it? I have no idea. I don't think it's that late. I think I got up at 6. I came right out. But I'm taking a moment to nourish myself. You know, I have a book about double your energy and live without fatigue. Are you on 7? I think I'll start a different video to tell you this.